Hi, I am Kedger on Wheels and today we'll be unboxing the GoPro Hero 8 Media Mod. So without further ado, let's get the GoPro out of the way. Let's get this out. UPS got this a couple of days early, so I'm really excited. By the way, this came thanks to the patrons, because I have a Patreon running, in case you don't know, and the money from that Patreon I've been saving up, and that's what it got for you guys. So first thing, really nifty box. Okay, not that I care a lot. Shiny surface here and matte here. Few instructions. Production ready, turn your GoPro into production ready, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. It's whatever's on the website. No big deal, perfectly normal. Let's go and cut this out real quick. There's this here. Maybe I'll do it from the bottom, because the top part is glued and I do not want to ruin this at the moment, so I'm just going to open it from the bottom. Okay, that was upside down. So you've got the warranty, you've got your user guides, with the directional microphone. That's one. Number two is the button. 3 supports, blah blah blah, the things you all know. How to open it: open on the left and open. Okay, cool. Then in several languages as usual. Move out of the way. How do I get this out without breaking everything? I can't, apparently. Jeez, come on, come on. Okay, so you also have one of these nifty new connectors, one of these nifty new thumb screws, and the media mod itself. It's very light. It's very, very light. And there's nothing else in the box, as it wasn't supposed to be. So this is actually pretty light. It feels very flimsy. Actually, I think it weighs less than the previous microphone adapter. You got your button on the top. And a really tough spring here to put the GoPro on. That's the USB-C. So I think I'm going to have to remove this. That's out. Just slide it in. Oh yeah, my baby. Slide it all in. Close. That's it. That's the whole thing. Wow, that's surprisingly simple. Gets a bit bulkier, but it's not a big deal. It's smaller than the previous adapter for the GoPro 5, 6 and 7. Pretty cool. And you have the USB, and you have the micro HDMI, and you have the microphone adapter. Do I have a microphone here? For comparison, this is the usual GoPro, the GoPro 5, side by side. And I actually don't have the mic adapter here, but that's the difference in sizes, sort of. Pretty cool. Button works. Button works. Hey, I know what I'm going to do. Check it out. Test. Or rather, better yet, popsicle. Ice, icicle. Testing. Let's see how that comes out. Back onto the GoPro. And straighten up, you idiot. Okay. Now we go down. And here, oh, hello guys. So I wasn't expecting to film myself.
Test. Or rather, better yet, popsicle. Ice, icicle. Testing. Let's see how that...
Yeah. Thing is, in this quiet environment, this doesn't quite work as I would expect. And shut up, please. Okay. So I'm going to test this on the bike. Right about now. Kedger out.